Skipper, is everything okay?
Not really, Mama Make. My ship's anchor broke off at sea. Now I've got no anchor to keep the ship in one place.
Oh, dear.
I thought you might be able to have a look for it if you were going underwater in that submarine, if you don't mind.
No problem, Skipper. We'll keep an eye out for it. You take care of your boat.
Thanks very much.
Bye, Skipper.
All right, shipmates. Prepare to submerge.
What does submerge mean?
It means going underwater. Or, as I like to say, dive, dive, dive.
And just like that, Maya, Ruby and Mama Make are off on an undersea adventure.
What was that?
That's the sonar.
Sonar?
Yes, it's a machine that uses sound to make an image of the seafloor.
Can we use it to find Skipper McKipper's anchor?
Yes, indeed. There's all kinds of life under the sea. Some small, and some not so small.
A whale!
This is a type of seaweed called kelp. Lots of interesting things live in these kelp forests, so keep your eyes open.
Seals! And they're playing cat!
Where we're going next is even more amazing.
What could be even more amazing than this?
We're entering a place miles and miles below every day. An underwater place where even sunlight cannot reach. A place called the Twilight Zone.
Ooh! Should we turn on the lights, Mama?
Not yet. If you turn on the lights, you won't be able to see them.
See what?
Here's one now.
It's glowing like a nightlight. Or an alien. Mama Make! There's a sea alien!
No, it's not an alien, Maya. It's a jellyfish.
Why is it glowing?
Down here, almost all the fish glow. They use the light for all kinds of things, like finding food.
That's really amazing! Hey! What's that?
I'm picking it up on the sonar. It's not a fish, but it doesn't look like a rock either.
We could use the submarine lights to see what it is, just like the jellyfish.
Yes, good idea, Maya.
It's Skipper McKipper's anchor. Maya go every day. Maya go, let's play. Maya go, what do we say?